I'm a beginner. I need your help. I need your support. Beginning drivers do not judge distance and space very well. It's very nerve-wracking to be with a beginning driver because they make very slow left turns. What do I mean? You're waiting to turn, cars are coming by, it's clear, and then you're scared to push the gas. The car's moving at 3 miles an hour, 4 miles an hour. Your mom or dad are saying, oh my God, I'm about to get hit. Press the gas, and what do? You hit the gas really hard, and you swerve out of the lane. So make sure it's clear. Listen to me. I'm a state certified driving instructor. Class, our learning targets for success, new driver advice. You need to take your time and be patient. Testing is in session. Welcome. Beginning drivers make very slow left turns. They merge on the freeway very slow, going about 30 on the ramp, 40. You need to be at 60. You need to be at 65 so you can merge out. Beginning drivers take their time when backing or doing a 3-point turnaround. These are some of the things you need to be listening to. These are some of the things you need to be practicing.